Hi, I'm Tomoko from Codica. I'm going to show you how to import your original 3D model from Tinkercad into C3D. I'm already logged in to Tinkercad and this is my dashboard. You can choose the 3D model that you want to bring into C3D. I'm going to choose this one and then click download, and then you want to choose the format .obj right here. And when you click it, the download should start. When it's downloaded, please note that it's in zip format. Zip is a compressed file format to make the file size smaller so it's easier to handle. Please do not unzip this file. We want to keep it in zip format. Okay? And also, there's another way to download this right after when you finish designing a 3D model. So you are still in this view where you design the 3D model. Then on the top right hand corner you see this export button. You can use this to export the file, and here again you find .obj format and you click it and the download starts. And once it's downloaded, you can go to C3D. I'm already logged in. If you're not, please log in. And then here on the top right corner, you see an icon that says Asset. You can click this and then this My Files folder should open. Your folder can be empty, but that's fine. And then you find the file that you downloaded and drag and drop the file to this My File folder. There will be this message appearing. You can just click OK and you can close this folder. Now you go to Object menu and choose a block that says Add Object, Tinkercad SketchUp Object, and you can drag it over to the workspace, and from the drop down choose the file, the 3D model that you've just uploaded. See, it appeared here. If you don't find the uploaded model in the drop down, please try reloading the page. Now I actually want to replace this penguin with this Tinkercad model like this and throw away this add object block that I don't need anymore. Look, the animation has started. Yay! I'm animating my own 3D model in C3D.